Okay. Coach, yun nga, the story is now out. Chris Newsome is staying with Meralco. So, what's the process na you guys were able to come up with a new deal?
Yeah, just happy. I mean, Lou's part of our program. You know, it's one of the big reasons why Meralco is where it is. Great person, and we're very happy for him. You know, for him it feels like you want him to retire with us, right? But we're happy that he signed up long term. He deserves his contract. You know, you can. He's one of the reasons why we won a championship. He's also a hard worker, so he's come a long way. You know, from when he was in college, where he was a 4, and then to being the leader of our team, now being the captain of Pila. So happy for him.
Coach, was there a concern of, you know, Chris leaving the team kasi syempre usapan siya ever since yung rumors of his contract, ano?
I mean, he could have really gone elsewhere. You know, he's got his he played for the national team, so he could have gone overseas. He could have tested the market too. But you know, I'm happy that he stayed. You know, he's done so much for the team. It's also nice that he continues his journey with us. But we're grateful that he's with us. I think may tama siya ngayon. He's out for about 3 weeks with his thumb. That guy doesn't have any stopping him. We got PBA, we have ESL, BCL, tapos national team pa. Pero I'm very proud of him. I'm sure staff's very proud of him. All the little things not seen on the stat sheet. You know, taking care of our guys, being a leader. Really a good person. So, you know, it's good that we also signed him long term. Pero we were worried because at the end of the day, when you're a free agent, you're a free agent.